Ever feel like your energy isn't what it used to be? Like your body isn't firing on all cylinders anymore? Well, what if I told you that the first thing you eat in the morning could either boost your energy and vitality or quietly drain it? And more importantly, there's one specific food, yes, just one that can reignite your male performance, your stamina, and that inner fire you thought was long gone. So if you're over 60 or even nearing it and you're tired of feeling tired, this video is just for you. Let's talk about what to eat every morning to feel like yourself again. Let's be honest. Growing older isn't always easy, and for many men, one of the hardest changes to accept is the slow decline in vitality, not just energy, but confidence, strength, and performance in the bedroom. You might have noticed you wake up groggy no matter how much you sleep. Your interest or drive isn't what it used to be. You feel a little disconnected from your body, your energy, even your partner, and deep down, it can make you feel invisible, frustrated, even ashamed. But here's something I want you to know. This isn't your fault and you're not alone. By the time most men hit 60, testosterone levels drop by 1% every year. Blood circulation slows, muscle mass shrinks, and the foods we used to eat just don't fuel us like they used to. Worse, most of what we were told growing up, like eating toast or cereal for breakfast, is actually hurting your male health. But the good news, with one simple shift to your morning routine, you can start boosting blood flow, increasing stamina, and feeling more like yourself again. And it all starts with what's on your plate before 9 a.m. Why breakfast matters more after 60 when we're younger. Our bodies are more forgiving. Skip breakfast, no big deal. Eat a sugary donut. Still have energy. But after 60, your metabolism slows, hormones change, and your cells need more help. Your first meal sets the tone for blood sugar levels, blood flow down their hormonal balance, muscle, strength, mood, and mental clarity. If you start your day with the wrong foods like toast, sugary cereal, processed meats, your energy crashes before noon, and your performance, well, it suffers quietly. So what should you eat instead? Let's talk about it. The one food you should eat every morning, that food is eggs. Wait, just eggs? Yes, but not just any eggs. We're talking about organic pasture-raised eggs. Here's why. Asterisks packed with natural testosterone-boosting nutrients. Egg yolks are rich in cholesterol, and that's not a bad word here. Your body actually uses cholesterol to produce testosterone. They also contain vitamin D, essential for hormone production and mood. Zinc boosts sperm health, and testosterone choline helps regulate memory and nerve function. B vitamins supports energy and blood flow. High-quality protein for muscle and stamina. Each egg gives you around 6 grams of protein, and your muscles need that, especially after 60 when muscle loss speeds up. More muscle equals more energy equals more confidence. Asterisk supports nitric oxide production. This is a big one. Nitric oxide is what helps blood vessels relax and widen, meaning better blood flow, including down. Their eggs naturally support this function when paired with the right foods. More on that in a second. Now, not all eggs are created equal. You want pasture-raised or organic eggs, more nutrients. No hormones, cooked in olive oil or grass-fed butter. Not vegetable oils. Best ways to prepare. Soft-boiled poached scramble with veggies omelette, with spinach, garlic, and mushrooms. In margarine pairing with white bread or bacon. Daily combine with these morning BOSTRs. Eggs work best when you combine them with spinach, rich in magnesium, helps testosterone. Garlic increases blood flow, access a natural vasote, healthy fats and potassium for circulation. Pumpkin seeds, add on the side, high in zinc. Together, these create a natural male vitality stack without pills, powders, or gimmicks. Be careful what you drink in the morning. Coffee is fine in moderation, but here's what you should avoid. Sugary creamers, artificial sweeteners, store-bought fruit juices, too much sugar. Better morning drinks, black coffee, or with cinnamon green tea, warm water with lemon beet juice. Amazing for nitric oxide and blood flow. Hidden morning foods that kill male VTA. Lightwise are common breakfast items secretly draining your energy and drive. White toast, sugary cereals, flavored yogurts, brassed sausages, pancakes with syrup. Why? Because they spike your blood sugar. That leads to energy crashes, inflammation, lower testosterone, reduced blood flow. ADD. These simple habits for extra BOOST food is step 1. But combine it with these and you're golden. Morning walk, 10 to 15 minutes, increases testosterone, boosts nitric oxide, enhances circulation, clears the mind. Cold shower or face splash stimulates nerves and hormones, boosts mood and alertness. Asterisk light stretching helps with blood flow and flexibility, reduces stiffness that comes with age. Hydrate right after waking up. Start with a glass of water with a pinch of sea salt and lemon tea. YPICAL results. You may to this breakfast routine daily for 2 to 4 weeks, and you may start to notice increased morning energy, better mental clarity, improved blood flow, and drive former performance, higher confidence, and the best part, no prescriptions, no embarrassing pills, just food your body already understands. Here's the truth. Most men aren't told You don't need to feel weak, tired, or past your prime just because of your age. Yes, your body changes, but you can still work with it. Every morning, you have a choice. You can fuel your body with fake food that drains you, or you can eat something real, something that builds you up. Eggs may seem simple, but when you treat them like medicine, they become a game changer. They help balance your hormones, keep your blood flowing, and restore a part of yourself that you might have thought was long gone. So next time you crack that shell in the morning, remember, you're not just making breakfast, you're making a comeback. Let's quickly recap what we learned today. After 60, male vitality naturally declines, but it's not the end of the road. Your first meal of the day has a huge impact on your hormones, blood flow, and energy. Buy the best food to eat every morning. Pasture-raised eggs, cooked right, and paired with natural boosters like spinach, garlic, and avocado. Avoid sugary cereals, white bread, and processed meat. Add simple habits like morning walks and hydration for even better results. Give it 2 to 4 weeks. Let your body rebuild and respond, because age isn't about slowing down. It's about doing things smarter. You've taken care of others your whole life. Now it's time to take care of you. If this helped you, give it a like and hit that subscribe button. And share this video with a friend over 60 who needs this advice. You deserve to feel good again every morning.